Hi, my name is Amadeus, and this is my 6-card golf game. I wrote this in Python, and I used ASU General's servers. So I've got General 3, 4, and 2 instances of 5 pulled up here. And I'm going to be using General 3 as my server. So I'm going to go ahead and display the IP address for this bad boy here. And I already preloaded the command, so all I have to do now is hit enter. Here I have the port as 11,000 for the server. I believe I had server or port ranges from 11,000 to 11,500, I think. So I'm going to spin the server up, and then on this general 4 window here, I'm going to I'm going to fire up the game client. So the first command line argument here is going to be the name of the application, and then the second one is going to be the server's IP address, which is displayed over here on the server itself, and then the port that it's listening to. So I'm going to start that up, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here with the server's address and its port. And do the same thing over here. Okay, and now once you fire up the game client, you're welcomed with a menu here. I'm going to execute the register command for each one of these. So I'm going to register myself here. And I think this is 120.70. 145 if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going to do 1. Okay. And then I'm going to register somebody else over here. I think this one was 117. And then I'm going to use port 2 on this one. And as you can see, as I'm doing this, the server is receiving these addresses and port numbers, and we're also getting feedback from the client itself that's running. So it's saying that registered successfully, and it's awaiting another command there. Okay, and I'm going to do this last one. So let's say Paul, and then since this is on 5, it's going to be the same address, but we're going to use a different port for this one. So I'm just going to double check. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And now we've got 3 players registered, so now I'm going to use 1 player to execute a query players command. And as you can see, the server received the request, and we've got the response from it here being displayed. Me, Amy, and Paul. And then we can do a query games command on, I think this was, who is this? Amy? Okay, we can do query games command on Amy, and there are 0 games currently in play, so because we haven't started a game yet, so we get 0. So that's good. And then we're going to deregister all of these users. Okay. Then we'll deregister Paul, so the server received that request and the client exited. Then we're going to deregister me here. Okay, and then we're going to deregister Amy as well. Awesome, all 3 clients exited, and we received all 3 of those requests. And then finally, we're going to terminate the server. Whoop, wrong one. And that's it.